This is the National Weather Service in Chanhassen with a test tornado warning for Wisconsin and Minnesota as part of the Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is a test. Repeating, this is a test. The National Weather Service, in cooperation with the Minnesota Division of Emergency Management and Homeland Security, and with Wisconsin's Emergency Management, is issuing a test tornado warning for all of Minnesota and Wisconsin. It will be in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. This is a test. Take the time now to determine where you would go to a safe place, both at home and if you are away from home. Once again, this has been a test as part of the Severe Weather Awareness Week.
Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Tonight, mostly cloudy. A chance of snow, possibly mixed with rain early in the evening, then a slight chance of snow overnight. Lows around 30. North winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 50%. Friday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 40s. North winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 20s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Saturday, sunny.